All right, welcome to our coding session for convolutional neural networks. We're gonna actually upload a data set of images of cats and dogs, and it's basically the set that was used for a 2013 Kaggle competition. So let's go and get this data. Data can be found via this link. So let's click on it, and here you have the data. So basically, there's 25,000 images of dogs and cats. And then we have another 12,500 test images. So let's download this and see where we end. All right, so now we have downloaded the data set. Let's click on it. And here you see two zip files. I'm gonna open both of these zip files. Here we go. Will not take too long, but still consider that these are heavy data sets. Here we are. We now have both folders. Let me call this one train 2. Okay, so the next step is we are going to upload these folders into our Google Drive. So new folder uploads. And now we're gonna look for these folders. So in here on the left, on the right bottom corner, you will see that the machine is starting to upload these files. Now the uploading of these files with my computer, and I have a MacBook Pro from 2018, it takes between 6 and 10 hours. So the best thing you can do is just get this machine going for the download and do something else in the meanwhile. All right, the download is finished. As you can see in the bottom right corner, we have uploaded 25,000 training images and 12,500 test images. What you also can see is here we have the directories, and I decided to take these twos away. So we simply have a train directory and a test directory.